If we attack our problems with determination, we shall always succeed. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present a PowerPoint presentation on the chapter Deep Water of Class 12 Flamingo. The following extract is taken from Of Men and Mountains by William O. Douglas. It reveals how, as a young boy, William Douglas nearly drowned in a swimming pool. In this essay, he talks about his fear of water and thereafter how he finally overcame it. Notice how the autobiographical part of the selection is used to support his discussion of fear. The fear of water had developed in his mind after two scary incidents. The first incident had happened when he was a boy of 4 standing at California Beach with his father. A huge wave had knocked him down and he was immersed in it for a short while. The second incident had happened when he was 11 years old. He was at the YMCA pool sitting by the poolside. A big bully boy threw him into the deep end of the pool. The narrator would have drowned if someone had not saved him. The two incidents developed a fear of water in the narrator's mind. He had to work very hard to overcome his deeply ingrained fear of water that he had got infected with at the YMCA pool after the tragic incident. The fear exploit all his excursions with his friend. Whenever he accompanied his friend to Cascade or Warm Lake, the fear of water seized him. His legs get paralyzed and icy horror grappled over his heart. Finally, one October, he hired an instructor to learn swimming. The instructor put a belt around him. He attached the belt to a cable that ran overhead. He held on the rope and the author tried to swim back and forth across the pool. Hour after hour, day after day, week after week, the author took 3 months to learn basics. Then the instructor taught him how to exhale underwater and how to raise his nose and inhale. Then he taught him how to kick the water with his leg. After teaching and perfecting the basics, he asked the author to swim the length of the pool all by himself. After that, there was no turning back. He swam across Lake Wentworth, Warm Lake. This is how the author overcame his fear. To sum up Deep Water summary, we learned that if we are determined enough and have the courage, we can overcome any fear that comes on our way without letting the fear overpower us. Always remember, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. By Franklin D. Roosevelt. Hope you liked this presentation. Thank you for watching.